Good morning, good morning. We got a customer this morning with an old roof leak around the fireplace. It doesn't look like they're putting the flashing around this thing. He just wants me to patch it up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to go around here, and I bought some of this flashing tape to run the flashing tape underneath them and then go along the sides here. Let's get to work. Let me speed this up for y'all. Don't want to bore you with the details. Let me tell you something. Not being able to put a tripod on the roof is rough, especially if it's steep slope. I'm going to tell you something too. Get the shirts that's self-wicking. This cotton shirt is killing me, man. It's like 100 degrees once again at 10 a.m. in Florida. It's crazy, crazy, crazy hot. Stay hydrated out there. Taking this tar tape and I'm surrounding the back side of this chimney. I brought a whole gallon of it, but this chimney is 4 feet wide, so I didn't quite have enough. I'm gonna have to go back and get some more. Man, I'm not the best cameraman. I apologize. I don't have the experience of a lot of these YouTubers. I'm just learning how to do this. Someone told me that if you do something, record it. Maybe you can help somebody out. So, hey, I'm putting forth an effort here. Bear with me, okay? John Dale. Ain't the best at towing a roof. I know y'all professionals. But see, it comes down, I'm up here, and it's rushing straight down to the chimney, hitting the back side here. So what we did, I went and got some flashing, because whoever built the house then put in the flashing down around the chimney. Just something. And around the sides here. It's hot. And we're doing it around this side here. Whew. Look at the country live. Now we're doing the other side.